Where are we?
We're in the Mossman Gorge.
Mossman Gorge. Yeah. We're just about to do a smoking ceremony. You ready?
What's the smoking ceremony?
Don't know, we're going to find out now.
All good?
Where did you get your walking stick from? The man gave it you. This is like your dream, isn't it? Going walking in the forest with a walking stick. Hey Claire, how does it feel to be back in the rainforest again?
I love it. I love this sort of stuff where he's telling us about his people and what they do. It's great.
Here, crust up against one of these plants will haunt you about 6 to 7 weeks or longer, well over a year. Very, very painful. I saw a horse died from one of these kind of plants. They will get some.
Now we're just doing some more walks. Here's some other people. Look at the view. It's cool, hey? Anyway, on we go.
I met his sister. Just back down the road from here, we have one there that's about 400 years old. Rainforest people always chop the butt. Got sand, throw it all in the water. You sit on the bank and relax about 30 to 45 minutes. All the barramundi come up. And it's all here like you go any other place. If you're still around the area for a few more days, if you have a car, go on the inland road. If you have freshwater fish in here,
Feeling hot yet, Jim?
Sorry?
Are you feeling hot?
Always hot. Yeah, it's just humid again. It's nice.
You having fun?
Yeah, it's good.
what we're going to say to these folks here, about 19, maybe 20 minutes past 11. Can you ask them?
20 minutes.
Between 19 and maybe 20 minutes past 11. Just a rough guess, eh? You're just guessing. So, check your time there, Mooksy.
19 past.
You're spot on, Mooksy. High five. You did really well. So you can tell by looking at your shadow there. Okay? When we candle nut there all year round. Rainforest people trade with this candle nut with the people back on the other side of the mountain. They use a lot of them for painting, rock painting. They crush up the ochre really fine like powder, and they squeeze all the oil out of the candle nut and they mix it all up, and the ochre keeps soaking into the rock. If you had one of these wrapped around your arm or leg, you'll end up with a nasty cut. Very, very sharp like razor blade. My grandmother used to bath me with this kind of leaf when I was a little fella growing up. Good for the skin, good for the water, doesn't harm the fish or anything. Just make your skin soft, and you can use the leaf for mosquito bite. It'll stop the itch. More water on this. Put more colour in this.
You go. Oh, you got it.
You can pick that colour if you want, or you choose your colour, what you want. You did really well, Moxie, with that glass like a mirror. You want to look this way? Oh, you put some on there. Oh, that's good.
Tom, look at me.
Tom.
Different colour on there. Thank you, Moxie. There we go. Yeah.
So which tribe am I in?
You rainforest
In what, sorry?
you rainforest person.
Rainforest.
We use that as a song line.
Okay.
Yeah.
What is my tribe?
You're the same, Moxie.
All the same.
You're in my tribe, or am I in your tribe? Thank you.
You're welcome, Moxie.
Go on, Tom, keep going. Go.
What are we doing?
You're doing the blog post. Imogen, what are you eating?
Damper.
Damper. I'm eating damper.
And a nice cup of bush tea. It's a bush tea. What have you got?
I feel wet. Oh no.
Uh-oh.
With water. I got the same.
Finish it off now.
You taste the
Sweating off.
You taste the smoke off.
Having fun? We've learnt all about the rainforest.
Where is your water? Oh, the one in the bag.
That's mine. That's
We've
mine.
learnt all about the rainforest. It's been good. Educational and fun.
Yeah, that's right.
Fun educational.
You got it?
Natalie thinks I'm a bit embarrassing today because I'm the only grown-up with my face painted.
It's because it was a kids' activity.
Win-win.
It wasn't a grown-up activity.
It's okay.
I think
They're
he wanted to
battered
do
in.
it so he
Define
could tell us
child.
apart.
Yeah, that's true.
Sweating a lot. Natalie zoned out.
What did he call us the whole way round?
Muxie.
Muxie.
What did? I was asking Natalie.
Being
Sorry, I
friend.
thought you were... New word. Muxie. Should we take that on? Do you think Natalie is a team cook? That's what I'm going to call you for the rest of the holiday.
Yeah, I was thinking to Tom before, I think.
The minibus. So we just gotten off the minibus and we're in the national park.
We're in the national park of
Now remember, you
Never feed the cassowaries.
cassowaries.
That was muscle pain.
That
Smells like deep meat.
Probably what deep
And we're
tomato.
just going to explore here.
You all see one. That's even hotter, you nutcase. What are you doing? You just told me it was too hot. You crazy. Nah.
Why are we in a rainforest?
Because we're probably never going to be back in this place ever again.
We've been here like 10 times.
Go on there.
And we're probably going to come back tomorrow.
No. Look at that. Don't, Natalie.
I'm kidding.
He's gone.
Nah.
Tomorrow we're in completely the opposite place because we're
going underwater.
We are going
to the
underwater.
Barrier Reef.
Great Barrier Reef, baby. So excited about that.
Pow, pow, pow.
Let's shoot everyone. So yeah, well, there's this funky walkway. We're having a walk through. Definitely taking pictures. Lydia's walking. Natalie's walking funny. Lydia's gone off somewhere, and Claire is going to the toilet again. How was it? You're kidding? They said they were. Are you holding it in now then? She's going to stand by the waterfall a little bit more.
Carrying it with me.
Yeah.
Do you want me to take a photo?
Right up riverbed.
I'll take a photo. Oh. Everywhere.
Makes me want to go swimming.
In down.
Lovely, isn't it? She's taking it slow and steady because the guys yesterday said, well, when you're slow, quiet, and you stop and watch, you might see something come out because they sit and watch you. I'm too impatient to do that though.
But I don't want to get wet. Here, I'll help you.
So quick change, we are now in swimming costumes. Claire needs to have a wash to get it off, all the paint off her face. So we're heading back on the bus and we're going to go for a swim. Tom, stay there.
It's a brown one.
It's going.
No, it's a grey one.
That.
That's so cool.
No, yeah, the girl next to it.
That's so cool.
That freaked me out.
Oh my god.
The jinx is lifted. There's wildlife in the forest. Stay still. Thinks that you're a flower.
It's flown away.
Is it gone?
Quick! I'll splash you! No, don't. Please don't splash me.
Now don't splash.
Don't splash because
Oh, wow.
Is it cold?
It is cold.
I need to wash this Aboriginal thing. I'm just moving my hands. You should have waited for it to dry and then pick it up.
Right, Tom, are we going in?
Yeah.
Come on then. Oh, there's fish everywhere. Oh, that's the danger zone.
You're the first person to go fully under.
No, you're not. I am. Oh, he's done it! That wasn't under. Okay, I'm going to do it slowly. That's even worse. Oh, it's all right once you're in. Come on, Lydia.
What if I trip over a fish and die?
Yeah, you might trip over a fish and die. Okay, so I'm here with Tom and Lydia. Tom and Lydia both have orange faces. Explain why.
Because we put this thing on our face.
What is it?
It's the colour, it's the national colour for sister proof.
For who?
Rock It's the national colour for sister-proof rock climbing team.
But it's sunblock, isn't it?
I know, but
Okay, right.
this
So
is a sister-proof system. Means that
Liddy?
sisters like Natalie and Imogen.
right, Lydia. Tell me what you have learnt today in the rainforest. Tell me one thing, one fact.
The Aboriginal people.
Aboriginal. Yeah.
Used to get this seed, crush it up to make this powder, put water into it, and then it made face paint.
Yes, which is what you had on your face. Tom, tell me one fact that you learnt today.
That's the thing. That you can tell that Aboriginal people can tell the time by their shadow from the sun.
Nice. Lydia, tell me another fact. Oh, hang on, I'm going to tell you one. There's a nut that the Aboriginal people cut the top off, and it's hollow inside, and they would carry dry grass with it and seed it with beeswax, so they can start a fire at any point. Just break it open. Lydia, next fact, go.
I can say that one. But the women would. There's this one called the women's headband.
Oh yeah.
Because what the women used to do, because they were all looking for nuts, things on for
Foraging, yeah.
Their heads were always down, so they had this thing called ladies' headband, this plant, and they put it around the head, which stopped them from getting a headache.
Good. Tom, tell me a fact that you learned today.
That lots of plants can actually heal other people's cancer, like breast cancer, lung cancer, heart cancer. Cancer.
There was one that did bone marrow cancer as well,
Yeah,
wasn't
and bone marrow cancer. And like other medications like that, most plants can heal. It's very cool.
there? Cool.
Me?
No, me. What else did we learn?
Me!
No, me. Just wait. I'm going to think of one. When the Aborigines, when they crush stuff, so when they're crushing things to make these coloured pastes and stuff, they have rocks with little dimples in them that they use as like a pestle and mortar to crush it.
Most plants in the rainforest, the rainforest.
No, just one.
This rainforest is the oldest rainforest known to man.
Okay, older than
Dinosaurs.
the Amazon. Tom, next fact.
That when the Aboriginal people that are ladies, they have nuts and they get rocks and they crush them until they're like cracked open, and then they eat the insides and then they throw the outside away.
Good. Okay, and another one that we learned is that lots and lots of the food in the nuts and fruits that they collect are actually poisonous, and the way that they get rid of the poison is they put them in a special basket that they've weaved together, and they soak it in water for 30 to 45 minutes, most of them, but some of them they do it for like 30 days. These black beans that we learned about yesterday, they do it for 30 days. Yeah.
Half like me.
Go.
Well, you see,
You're not pointing at you.
most of the plants in this rainforest are actually deadly poisonous.
Deadly poisonous. Dun dun dun. Okay, Tom.
I don't know.
You got another one?
I can't remember, but we're having a great time. I know.
Brilliant. That is the end of.
I know
oh,
that
you got another one?
Mooks is very funny and fun.
Good. Mooks was our
tour guide.
He was our tour guide. He was good. So that is it from Facts on a Rock. Facts on a Rock. Yes. Just pretend to be lizards.
It's quite warm, this stuff.
This is why lizards come and sit on a rock, is because it warms them up.
I need to toilet.
Don't do that. Don't just go on the rock. I'll be able to tell.
That's what lizards do.
Maybe, but you're not a lizard. We're just pretending to be lizards.
You said that we were lizards. Make your mind up.
No, is it a little bit weird that we're just having a little relax in a river in the middle of a rainforest? That's kind of cool.
No, it's what I do every day.
It's not.
After school, I just come here to Australia, chillax.
Every
my
day
lizard
after school.
mates with him here, with that person. Thinking of Dad. Although next time I probably won't invite Dan along. Oh, he found a rock before you.
Yeah.
Are they whirlpools? Yeah.
It's forming a whirlpool.
Look.
Right, anyway, I think that's it for the end of today's vlog.
Vlog or vlog?
Vlog.
Vlog.
Because all we're going to do after this is head back to the hotel,
Go in the pool.
go in the pool, and then have tea and go to bed.
And have a sand moustache, see? And have a what?
A sand
she
moustache.
has a sand moustache.
She does. So, thanks for joining us. It's been fun.
No, wait! I need to say something.
Okay, you've got one word, and it has to be your favourite word of the whole world. Go.
That's hard.
No, that was 3 words.
Animals, sorry.
Animals.
Yeah.
That's Imogen's last word. Natalie, go. You've got 3 seconds.
I miss
That's it, I.
my friends.
Ah, no, that was more than one word. And my favourite word for today
McDonald's.
is... Oh, that's interesting.
Mine is rainforest.
Okay, rainforest is good.
Rainforest as well, because animals live in there.
No, mine
that
is
McDonald's.
philanthropist. Is that how you say it? That'll do.
Mine
Thanks.
Is, no.
Bye.
Mine is, you know that little seed where they put dried grass in it, and then
Oh yeah, the